Welcome, friends. Today we're going to explore one of the most practical and transformative manuals written by Venerable Ledi Sayadaw. It's called the Magganga Dīpani, the Manual of the Constituents of the Noble Path. In this session, we'll look at the Eightfold Path in detail. We'll explain each factor and we'll reflect on how to cultivate them in daily life. Let's begin with the Eightfold Path itself. The Buddha taught that this path is the way to the end of suffering. It is not a set of commandments, but a training, a way of living that transforms the mind and heart. The eight factors are right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Together they form a complete path of wisdom, ethics, and meditation. The first factor is right view. This means seeing reality as it truly is. It means understanding the Four Noble Truths: that life is marked by suffering, that craving is the cause, that suffering can cease, and that the path leads to liberation. Right view is the foundation. Without seeing clearly, we cannot walk wisely. The second factor is right intention. This means directing the mind toward renunciation, toward kindness, and toward compassion. It means letting go of harmful intentions like greed, ill will, and cruelty. Right intention sets the tone for our actions. The third factor is right speech. This means speaking truthfully, kindly, and beneficially. It means avoiding lies, harsh words, gossip, and idle chatter. Right speech is powerful because words can heal or harm. The fourth factor is right action. This means acting ethically. It includes refraining from killing, stealing, and sexual misconduct. It means living with integrity so that our actions do not cause harm. The fifth factor is right livelihood. This means earning a living in a way that is honest and harmless. It means avoiding trades that cause suffering, such as dealing in weapons, intoxicants, or exploitation. Right livelihood allows us to live in harmony with our values. The sixth factor is right effort. This means cultivating energy in practice. It includes preventing unwholesome states from arising, abandoning those that have arisen, cultivating wholesome states that have not yet arisen, and maintaining those that have. Right effort keeps the mind moving in the right direction. The seventh factor is right mindfulness. This means being fully aware of body, feelings, mind, and dhammas. It means observing experience moment by moment without clinging or aversion. Right mindfulness is the heart of meditation. The eighth factor is right concentration. This means developing deep states of meditative absorption known as jhanas. It means focusing the mind so that it becomes steady, unified, and clear. Right concentration supports wisdom. Now let's reflect on how to cultivate these factors in daily life. Right view can be cultivated by study, reflection, and meditation. Right intention can be cultivated by setting wholesome goals each day. Right speech can be cultivated by pausing before we speak, asking if our words are true, kind, and useful. Right action can be cultivated by living ethically, keeping precepts, and practicing compassion. Right livelihood can be cultivated by choosing work that aligns with our values. Right effort can be cultivated by noticing the mind and steering it toward the wholesome. Right mindfulness can be cultivated by observing the breath, the body, and the mind throughout the day. And right concentration can be cultivated by dedicating time to meditation, allowing the mind to settle deeply. Think of the Eightfold Path like a wheel. Each spoke supports the others. If one is missing, the wheel is weak. But when all eight are cultivated together, the wheel turns smoothly, carrying us toward liberation. So today we've explored the Magganga Dīpani, We've seen the detailed breakdown of the Eightfold Path. We've explained each factor: right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. And we've reflected on practical guidance for cultivating them in daily life. Carry this awareness with you. Practice right view, set right intentions, speak and act wisely, live ethically, cultivate effort, nurture mindfulness, and deepen concentration. This is the path to freedom. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring clarity, peace, and liberation.